wondered how your phone, computer, or even smart fridge works? At the heart of all these gadgets lies a tiny hero, the semiconductor. Let's understand this invisible powerhouse in just a few minutes. A semiconductor is a material that lies between a conductor and an insulator. It can sometimes conduct electricity and sometimes block it, like a smart gatekeeper. There are two types of semiconductors. An intrinsic semiconductor is a pure semiconductor, while an extrinsic semiconductor is doped with impurities and is classified as either p-type or n-type. P-type semiconductors are created by doping an intrinsic semiconductor material with group 3 elements like boron, aluminum, or gallium. These impurities have one less valence electron than the semiconductor material, resulting in holes. In a p-type semiconductor, the holes become the majority charge carriers, responsible for the flow of electric current. N-type semiconductors are created by doping an intrinsic semiconductor material, such as silicon or germanium, with group 5 elements like phosphorus, arsenic, or antimony. These impurities have one more valence electron than the semiconductor material, resulting in an excess of free electrons. In an N-type semiconductor, the free electrons become the majority charge carriers, responsible for the flow of electric current. Now that we know what semiconductors are and how p-type and n-type are formed, let's see where we actually use them in our daily lives. The first and simplest device is the diode. It allows current to flow only in one direction. Where do we use it? In chargers and power supplies, whenever you plug your phone into charge, there is a diode inside making sure the AC current is converted into DC. Next, we have transistors, the backbone of modern electronics. They work like tiny switches and amplifiers. Every computer, smartphone, and even your TV has millions of transistors packed into microchips, helping process information at lightning speed. Another very important application is solar cells. These are special semiconductor devices that convert sunlight directly into electricity. That's how solar panels on rooftops help us generate renewable energy. Semiconductors are also used in sensors like temperature sensors, pressure sensors, and even the camera sensors in your phone. In cars, they are used in airbags, automatic braking systems, and navigation. In short, semiconductors are the hidden heroes of technology. From the smallest LED light to the most powerful supercomputer, they power our modern world. So now you know, semiconductors are the invisible heroes powering our modern world. If you enjoyed learning something new today, give this video a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments, and hit the subscribe button for more tech explained in simple words.